Hey guys, today's going to be kind of a little fun eye tutorial. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Tickled Peach Mini Palette. So if you want to see my thoughts on it and how I got this look, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down here. Also hit the bell notification next to it so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So again, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Well, something happened to my memory card and it did not record the first part of the video. So I'll catch you up here. First I went in with this shade all over my entire lid up to the brow. And then I took this tan shade and I took that in as my transition shade. Now we're caught up and ready to move on with the rest of the video. All right, since I really don't want to put shimmers in my crease anywhere, I'm going to go in with this deep brown shade, and that's called Love Pit. Love Pit. Really? Love Pit. Who comes up with that? So I'm going to go in with my Morphe. This is just a no-name brush, but it is very pointed and gets into my crease really well. And I'm not going crazy with this. I'm just going to lightly take that in there. I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Parisian Punch, and I'm going to take that on a flat pointed brush, and I'm going to go on the inner part of my lid with this. It's not super shimmery. It's enough color. I guess it is when you look in the mirror. A bit of a smaller flat brush, and now I'm going to go into this beautiful pinky rose shade, which is not, for some reason, let's go ahead and focus. There we go. And that one is called Peachy Swear. And I'm going to take that on the outer part of my eye. Just going to end up kind of putting the two together. Now, normally I would try this out by getting my brush wet and see how they would perform, but I want to keep this a little more daytime appropriate, so I'm going to skip that. But I am going to lightly just take a brush, clean brush, and just kind of go back and forth over the two shades where they meet. Kind of blend them out a little bit. All right, now I'm going to go in with my smudge brush, and I'm going to go back into the same shade that we used as our transition shade, again called Peach Spice, and I'm going to take that on a smudge brush and just go right along my lower lash line. There's a reason I always put some sort of color under here, and that's because that is the area where I do get some wrinkles, or fine lines as I like to call them. And I discovered that when I do that, it helps cover them up. See? Makeup can cover a lot of things. And also draw your attention away from things you don't want to get attention. All right, now let's go in with that purple shade. That is so pretty, and it is called Plum Fun. I'm going to go in on my Sigma. This is my, yeah, that's not my Sigma. Okay, I just have an angled brush, and I'm going to take that right up against the waterline. Just as I feared, I'm getting a little bit of fallout with this one. Nothing major. It's not quite looking as purple as I was hoping. It's almost coming across as black. Give myself a tiny little wing with it. And take a brush, just gently wipe that away. I think that's all I want to do with this look. So let me do some mascara, put on some lipstick, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back and I have my mascara and my lipstick on, and I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised. I personally did not care for their full-size palette. I just didn't like it for some reason. I can't even say if these shades were in the full-size one. I'm kind of guessing they probably were, but when I played around with it, it just didn't work for me. But this one I like. I don't know if it's just formulated different, but everything is so pigmented and just blends out beautifully. So I am curious about trying those shadows wet, see how they look as well. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button down here. Also make sure that you hit that bell next to it so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. And if you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. That does help me out with YouTube. And as always, if you have any comments, questions, requests for me, leave those down below in the comment box. I love hearing from you guys. And until next time, I love you all, and bye-bye.